want to welcome back these. So I'm sure you can realise how raw this is. They can't possibly have known about aardvark soup. Well done, that plant. Okay, so you can start with either one.
Up three, just one.
Yeah, okay. Just go for it.
She's great. She plays with that hairy chest.
She is so handsome.
She has the bigger toes. She licks her ears.
She is amazing.
She is a great woman. And why? Because she eats aardvark soup.
Okay, straight into the next one.
Mum, this bogey soup's getting a bit stale.
It tastes awful.
Can we have something new, something exciting, something that's never possibly been eaten before?
Yeah.
Because we don't like this!
I have the best idea in the world. Just give me 1 second. 1 second's up. Try this.
It's great!
You know why? Because it's aardvark soup.